Hi folks, have you ever had your heart set on an item from overseas but you couldn't get it simply because the seller just wouldn't send it to Malaysia? Well, I've got a solution for you today, and it is something that I've been using for quite a while since before the pandemic. It is called Buy and Ship. It is hassle-free, very easy to operate, and it is a game changer in getting your overseas product to you in Malaysia. Buy and Ship has so far been a very trustworthy middle person, connecting me with overseas seller with their main hub set in Hong Kong itself. So all these fantastic items that you have been eyeing from other countries can now find their way to your doorstep in Malaysia with a very transparent pricing. They operate in several regions including the United States, Canada, UK, the European Union countries, Australia, South Korea, Thailand, China, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. That means you can purchase product from any of these countries and get them shipped through the respective buy and ship warehouse. But before you start your international shopping spree, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, check the prohibited items catalog and shipment restriction for different warehouses. Certain items can't be shipped this way and will be disposed of. Second, for Malaysia, there might be taxes imposed for items declared to be over 500 ringgit ordered online from overseas. To avoid this, you can keep your purchases below that threshold. Thirdly, perishable items aren't recommended, as buy and ship won't be responsible for any damage during transit unless you purchase their insurance, which covers the cost of your declared parcel value only. Now that you have these three things in mind, this is how you can get started with buy and ship. First, create an account with buy and ship. They will provide you with a member ID once you have successfully registered and logged into their app or website. You will also need to register your Malaysian address so that they can forward your parcel from Hong Kong to you. In their website, go to My Account, then select Member Center and Warehouse. Find the address for buy and ship warehouse in the country where the product you are purchasing can be delivered. Let's use an example here. Say you want to buy something from Hagren in Belgium. You will need to register an account with Hagren so you can keep an eye on your parcel shipment from their warehouse to buy and ship warehouse in the European Union or in the UK. I will explain to you why this step will be important later on. When you are ready to purchase, make sure you key in the right information. If you prefer buy and ship warehouse in the UK, use the member ID they have given to you instead of your own name. Then input the warehouse address so your items are sent to the buy and ship's UK warehouse. Now you might be wondering, how do you calculate your shipping fee? Buy and ship is pretty transparent about their pricing. Be sure to select delivered duty paid when setting up your account, and Skynet will handle the shipping to Malaysia from Hong Kong. For the first pound, which is estimated around 450 grams, you will be charged RM30 ringgit, and every additional pound will be 28 ringgit more. But remember, the weight isn't just about the item, it also includes the packaging. Some products come in hard cardboard boxes, which could increase the shipping fee significantly. Do keep in mind on that and factor that in when it comes to calculating your shipping fee. Once you have placed your order, all you need to do is to wait for your item to be dispatched. If you follow my earlier advice and register an account with the seller website, you'll receive an email when your parcel is on the move. You get a tracking number which you can use to declare your shipment in Buy and Ship Member Center under My Shipment. Input all necessary details like tracking code, item name, category, quantity, and price. You can also decide whether to purchase insurance for your parcel. This coverage typically protects your parcel journey from Buy and Ship warehouse to your address in Malaysia. It is up to you if you want to opt for it. At this point, you don't have to pay anything yet. Just wait for your parcel to arrive in Hong Kong, and Buy and Ship will alert you when it is time to consolidate your shipment. You can consolidate multiple parcels or just one. Once you have consolidated, you will be asked to pay the total shipping fee based on Buy and Ship's pricing structure, which I mentioned earlier. At this point, they only accept credit card as payment, and no other form of payment will be accepted. After payment, all that is left to do is wait for your parcel to be delivered, which usually takes between 1 to 2 weeks, barring any weather or worker strikes. You can also track your parcel progress. Once Buy and Ship has shipped it out through Skynet, they will provide you with a tracking code so you can keep tabs on it. And that, my friend, is how you can get fantastic product from overseas through Buy and Ship. The whole process takes about 1 month from point A to point B at a rather reasonable price. It is how I've been getting products from overseas for my loved ones for years. I hope you find this helpful, and feel free to drop me a message if you have any questions. I personally am not sponsored by Buy and Ship, but I'm more than happy to help you out with any non-technical queries. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.